To create a credential for Appify, come into the credentials section of n8n and we're going to create a new credential. And we don't have a native credential for Appify in n8n, but we do have this generic credential called header auth. So we're going to look for header auth. And under name here, we're going to type in authorization. Let's relabel this so that we know which app this particular header auth applies to. We'll just call this header auth tutorial for now. And now we need a value. This value is going to be our API key. So to do that, we need to head over to Appify at appify.com, create an account, log into your console. This is the dashboard you'll come to. Then you want to come down here to settings. Here within settings, we're going to look for API and integrations. And here you're going to have a default API token that it's given you. You can create a new one if you want to separate out particular tasks by API key. But for most use cases, you can just grab this default key. So I'm just going to copy that. We head back over to n8n and paste this credential in here and hit save. And now this credential is waiting and ready for us inside of an HTTP node that is using any of the Apify endpoints. We'll be able to search for Appify tutorial, and that credential will be waiting for us. That's as simple and as easy as it is to create an Appify credential within n8n.